Give yourself more time to do the fun gardening jobs in your backyard by planting for weed control. Weeds are defined as a plant out of place. They're wily and take advantage of uncovered soil. Weed seed can lie dormant in soil, germinating when the conditions are right, or they can be carried on wind or in bird poo. The best strategy to win against weeds in your garden is to ensure that you have a plant layer and a mulch layer on any exposed soil. After 20 years of research at Ausbreed, we found that a chunky wood chip mulch is most efficient at keeping soil cooler, more moist and weed-free over a longer period. There's an inorganic or an organic type of mulch. Inorganic mulches such as stones and pebbles won't obviously break down, whereas your large wood chip mulch will break down and will need to be replaced over time. A thick mulch layer spread to between 50 to 75 mil in and around your plants, but not right up to the crown or trunk, will keep your garden's weed levels right down. The other important component is that thick vegetation layer in a garden. Thick planting is more difficult for weed seed to settle amongst if it's carried by the wind or by birds. And because of that dense coverage, less light gets to the soil level to aid weed seed germination. Dense planting can be achieved quickly by planting more of the same ground cover species in the area, say 4 plants per square metre. They'll quickly spread, creating a mat-like effect, covering the available soil. Or try fast-growing ground cover like flat mat or Aussie Rambler. If you plant in spring, when the soil's warmed up, you should have about a 1 square metre area covered by the end of summer. Just keep on top of the weeding and spread some mulch.